So how can you turn off the auto dim feature on the iPad? Let's talk about it. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel and you're not going to miss anything important. So the auto dimming feature is basically called auto lock on the iPad, and you can find it inside of the settings. When on the left panel, you scroll down a bit and click on the display and brightness. At the bottom right there, we have the auto lock feature, which gives you 4 options for the time interval. So you can set it to 2 minutes, 5, 10, or 15. So obviously pick anything that you want. We have one more option which says never. And this isn't like really used by a lot of people. I guess it's commonly used in stores when they have like iPads, on a display showing some information on repeat whenever it might be, and they just don't want the iPad to lock itself or auto dim ever, so they use the never option. But for the regular people, I don't really think that it makes sense, so just pick the option which suits the best for you. One thing though, if you have the low power mode enabled in the settings in order to preserve the battery life, well, these things here, the auto lock increments, is being compromised by the low power mode, right? Because when you are trying to save the battery by using low power mode, it will try to save it also by reducing your screen time and dimming the screen a lot sooner, right? So this is something that you need to pay attention to as well. So I really hope that I can help you with this. Let me know in the comments below if we managed to find the root of your issue. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.